This tutorial review will show you best Midjourney alternative and how to use it to generate AI image. Midjourney is undoubtedly the powerful AI image generators on the market right now. Unfortunately, Midjourney stopped offering free trials a few days ago, but there are plenty of free alternative service you can use. In this video, I will show you total 3 best Midjourney alternatives. So the first one is starryai.com. Once you're here, click on create and you have to log in here. I'm gonna using my Google account to create a free account. Now click on create. Select your AI. Here, describe image to generate. Click on generate and it may take some time to process the AI here. And then click on the AI and here you will see the result. So this was the first alternative service to generate AI. And another is creator.nightcafe.studios. And choose a style here. Click on create. And you have to sign up here. So I'm going to using my Google account to create an account. And now describe what you want the AI to create. And click on create. And it may take some time to process the AI. And as you can see, it's generated AI. Now you can download it by clicking here. And the last one is bing.com. Here, describe what you would like to create. So these are the best alternative for Midjourney. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.